The Navigator panel makes it easy to zoom and navigate through a high-resolution image. You can access it by choosing Window, Navigator. It pops up, and I recommend you go ahead and make it a bit bigger. In fact, I'll often tear it right off so it's a free-floating panel. This way I can position it on screen where I want. You'll notice at both ends you have two little mountain ranges. Clicking one will zoom the image in a set increment. Similarly, clicking the other will zoom you out. This is great for quickly navigating the image. However, you can also easily drag the slider, and you see how quickly you can move in and out of your image. This is often accelerated by your graphics card, making for smooth scaling. Once you zoom in past 100%, you'll notice pixelization starting to occur. It's generally a good idea to go with an even number here, unless you're trying to zoom to a particular framing for the task at hand. For example, I might want to go really close here to take out a few scratches. I can make a new layer, select the Clone Stamp tool, and set it to sample all layers. Now, by option clicking, I can start to brush out some of those scratches. Notice that this is a fast, easy task when I'm zoomed all the way in. I could turn that off and on to see the before and after. If we were zoomed out to fit the whole image on the screen, doing that accurate cloning would be much more difficult, as it's hard to see all the resolution. If you do zoom in, you'll notice the small red box. You could drag to pan this so you can easily update and work with different parts of the image. Notice here how easy it is at this magnification to correct minor blemishes. There we go. And all of those changes are on their own layer, making it simple to catch up. That looks good, and I'm just going to move through here, and you see that it's nice and responsive. You can always click the panel menu, and you'll see that there are some options, including the ability to change the color of the view box. So if you're working with an image that has a lot of red, you can go ahead and change that. Otherwise, leave it alone. That's the Navigator panel. I find I frequently use it, especially when doing detailed touch-up on an image.